Welcome to BigCommerce Amazon Connector app by BigCommerce. Create template for BigCommerce Amazon Connector. What is category template? Category templates streamline your product listings, making it easier for the customers to find what they are looking for. How to create a template? Let's start with the process of creating templates for the BigCommerce Amazon Connector app. Go to the Category Template option. Click on the Create Template option. Enter a unique name for the product template you wish to create. Browse and select the listing category for this template from the drop-down box. Map Amazon category attributes to your BigCommerce product attributes or set a custom value based on the Amazon product category selected. Amazon category attributes are of two kinds. Required, these set of attributes are mandatory to be mapped with BigCommerce store product attributes. Optional, these are optional sets of attributes that you may or may not map as per your requirements. Next step is assigning rules to the template by creating a rule group or query for your products. Click on Override Listing if you want to override listings with templates already assigned. Match Products option by selecting any condition to fetch the products fulfilling any of the conditions created, all conditions to fetch the products fulfilling all the conditions created. Click on Add More to add multiple conditions in the rule group. Click on Run Query to fetch the number of the products on the basis of the rule groups created. Select the View Products option to view the products affected by the rule groups created. Click on Save for successfully saving the template. Category template for your BigCommerce Amazon Connector is created successfully.